Hello everyone, welcome to Android Garage. In this video, we are going to see about an interesting thing. So please click the subscribe icon below and watch until ends. Today, the interesting thing we are going to see about an earphone named Boult. I bought this Boult audio in the month of August. It really worked very well until December. The December end, the left side of the earphone stopped working. I expected it last for 6 months, but it doesn't. I kinda disappointed about that. Then I have made a tweet against Bolt. They simply liked and replied my text. They said like you need to register a complaint, just warranty claiming complaint, and I did it. After that I got a mail from Bolt in that they said you will be contacted by your customer service agent between 24 to 48 hours. So I waited up to 3 days. On the third day I have got a mail from the service center in that they said you need to send your damaged products to our service center situated in Delhi and we will repair your product or replace it with a new one. I was in a kind of delusion whether to believe it or not. I just made a decision to give it a try. I just made a decision to give a try. Then I sent my repaired headphones to the service center in Delhi via courier. After 2 days, they sent me a mail that they received my product and it will be repaired and dispatched in 2 to 3 days. After a week on Saturday, I have got a call from Blue Dart saying that I got a courier from Delhi for you. I received that the courier and really to say I was in a kind of awe and surprise. I have already unboxed it cause I just can't wait to see my headphones. I have made a review for you guys and hope it will help you. Come on, let's see. First of all, I like by the way of the company Bolt replied to my message and helped me to get my headphones repaired. Why I am saying this happened to me. When I bought a Bolt headphone, it got repaired within 6 months and I made a complaint about it, same as Bolt, but I got no response from them. So guys, please be careful while choosing a product. Do research after buying any product every time. I'm not a hater of Bolt. I'm just sharing my experience. Now jumping into the review part. I also got a small bag for the earphone. It looks really pretty. All I mean to say was the Bolt service center have changed some parts in my damaged headphone and now I am able to hear from the two sides and sound quality is good like a new one. It was only my experience. The video is not associated with the company or promotion and all. I have just shared my experience with Bolt and it was awesome. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you all in next video.